Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Friday, August 3rd, 2018. Temperatures today already range from the lower to mid-70s throughout the region, with some areas of locally dense fog over portions of Connecticut and a little bit along the coast too. Not too much in terms of reducing visibility, basically ranging anywhere from 3 to 7 miles throughout the area. And also we have some hazy conditions as well, as there's just a ton of humidity in the atmosphere. Do want to touch on the fact that we did have a very impressive severe thunderstorm that moved through Queens late last night around 11 p.m. that actually produced an isolated tornado threat. So pretty impressive. The National Weather Service is heading out there this morning to check up to see if we actually saw a tornado develop or if it was just some straight line wind. So certainly something to keep an eye on to see what they come up with. For this afternoon, will we see similar thunderstorms? Well, can't rule it out, that is for sure, especially in this tropical atmosphere. When we take a look at the radar from Weather Concierge, you could see right now we're pretty much high and dry, okay? But we have this nice little, what we call short wave over portions of Georgia. It's going to be lifting up towards our neck of the woods by the time we get to this evening. And that's going to lead to showers and thunderstorms throughout the area. And you get a little bit of a spin, and you can absolutely see a severe thunderstorm developing tonight. And we'll have to see and keep an eye on whether anything develops out of that. On the latest infrared satellite picture, you can see for the most part we're just dealing with some broken low clouds and scattered clouds, but all of your deep cloud layer is back here to the west, but this will work to the east. As you can see, it's inching closer and closer and will lead to increasing clouds for this afternoon and then showers this evening. On the surface map, you can see we're really not dealing with any organized low pressure system or really strong cold front. They're pretty much what we have set up here is a tropical air mass with plenty of moisture in the atmosphere, and then you get one or two of these little disturbances working their way through, and it creates havoc with showers and thunderstorms. So let's dive into this forecast. For this afternoon, look for increasing clouds with isolated showers and thunderstorms becoming more widespread towards this evening. High temperatures in the lower to mid-80s throughout the region. For tonight, period of showers and thunderstorms with low temperatures in the lower to mid-70s. For tomorrow afternoon, those showers and thunderstorms clear out, clearing skies by the afternoon with highs in the lower to mid-80s. For Sunday, scattered cloud cover is expected. A dry day with a westerly wind coming off the Appalachian Mountains. That means it's going to get pretty hot. Look for lows in the upper 60s, highs in the lower to mid-80s along the immediate coast, upper 80s to lower 90s everywhere else. On Monday, look for a threat for an isolated shower or thunderstorm, otherwise scattered cloud cover and hot. Look for lows in the lower to mid-70s, highs in the upper 80s to lower 90s with high humidity, so that means your heat index will likely push to around 95 degrees. Rinse and repeat for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Basically, what we're dealing with here is a tropical air mass. Now, these cold fronts will attempt to move through. The key word here is attempt. Every time they try to move through, they'll weaken, collapse, but you'll deal with the threat for scattered showers and thunderstorms, okay? There's a chance you might not see any for the entire week, while another location constantly gets hit. That is pretty much the theme of this weather pattern. Temperatures through this weather pattern will range from the lower to mid-70s for lows and lower to mid-80s along the immediate coast and wherever those showers and thunderstorms tend to linger, and upper 80s to lower 90s everywhere else. Just a muggy, uncomfortable weather pattern with a heat index likely pushing anywhere into the lower to mid-90s. So definitely it's the type of weather pattern where if you can avoid a thunderstorm, it's definitely time to head to the pool or the beach. But keep an eye to the skies and keep NY and JPA weather near you. That is the forecast discussion for today. I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. As always, stay safe out there.